Hi, in this video today I going to show you how to limit the user enter only number to a cell in Excel file. Okay, so now let's get started. I will open my Excel file here. So here I will have another column in my Excel table here. I will have the column is priority. Okay, I do the format for this column here, and here for the priority column I will allow the user only enter the number from the 1 to 10. So now here how to do it. Okay, you click on this cell D2, you click on the data and go to the data tool. Okay, you click on the drop down here and select the data validation. Yeah, the data validation pop-up will be displayed. In the setting tab, you by default it will allow any value will be entered here in the row. You select drop down and select the option the whole number. Yeah, so here in the data we select the between or not between, equal to, not equal to, greater than, blah blah here. So I will select the between option. I will allow the user either minimum is 1 and maximum is 10. Okay, so if the user enter as a value outside of the 1 to 10, I will display the error message. Okay, I will have a show error message here. We have the option is stop, warning, or information. Okay, I will select the warning message. Incorrect data or something like that. I will display the error message. Enter the number between 1 to 10. Okay, click on OK button here to apply the configuration. Good. I will do copy for another cell here. Okay, so now here, for example, the task number 1, I will set the priority for it is 1 here, so it will be 5. I will do the same thing for the task number 2 is 5. Okay, if I enter the number is greater than 10, okay, for example 11 here, it will display the warning message. Enter the number between 1 to 10. It will do the confirmation it continue or not. If you click on the yes, yeah, it will allow you to enter the value 11. Because we are select the error message warning, the style of the message is only the warning. If you select it is the stuff, you cannot enter the value for 11 here. Okay, so here I will do the change. I will delete this one and I will change the validation rule. I will change style to the stuff. Okay, and then I copy the style for all of the cell here. Delete it. Okay, and then so now enter 5, 10, okay, 11 here. So here you see in this display the warning message icon. It will display the stop icon here. That means you cannot click on the yes or no to do the confirmation by using another value outside of the option from 1 to 10. Yeah. Okay. Also, if you enter the option is 0 or the less than 0, so we cannot enter it. Okay. Yeah, so I think that's all for today, and after you finish this video, you know how to limit the user only enter the number into a cell in our Excel file. Yeah. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye and see you guys in next video.